Good morning, kids. Today we are going to revise the first chapter, Going to School. In this lesson, we learned about mode of transport. In different regions, they have a different transport ways to go from one place to another place. Okay? So, see here, some questions are there. In this lesson, we learned about bridge, trolley, bamboo bridge, cement bridge. Okay? See, how is this bridge different from bamboo bridge? This bridge means cement bridge. First question is, how is cement bridge different from bamboo bridge? These all answers you have, you written in your notebook also. You revise it because soon we have one test that is called the PT1. Cement bridge is made up of cement, bricks and iron rods. Do you have to cross any bridge on the way to your school? If yes, what is the bridge like? Draw its picture. Yes, I have one bridge to cross, that is a cement bridge. मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ, वहाँ पर एक ब्रिज है, वो सीमेंट का ब्रिज है. Next question. Find out from your grandparents what kind of bridges were there when they were young. Answer: bamboo bridge and wood bridges only. जब आपके मेरे दादा दादी थे तब वो उस वक्त bamboo bridge थे. Next question. Is there any bridge near your house? Find out more about the bridge. Where is the bridge? Over a water, over a road, between the mountains or somewhere else? Over a water. Answer is over a water. Second question. Who all use the bridge? Is it used by people, on foot, and also by vehicles and animals? Yes, it is used by people, animals, vehicles, so on. Does the bridge seem to be old or is it new? It looks old. Find out what materials are used in making this bridge. List some of them. सीमेंट ब्रिज बनाने के लिए कौन सा मटेरियल यूज़ किया जाता है? सीमेंट, स्टोन्स, ब्रिक्स, आयरन, पिलर्स एंड एक्सेट्रा. Here, draw a picture of bridge in your notebook. Do not forget to draw the train, vehicles, animals or people who cross the bridge. Here again one bridge drawing picture is there. Draw that one picture and show the peoples, animals, train, bus, vehicles, etc. on that one bridge. Imagine what difficulties there would be if the bridge was not there. जब ब्रिज नहीं है तो क्या प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, कौन कौन से डिफ़िकल्टीज फेस करना लगता है. यू इमेजिन एंड राइट इट. वी आर रिटर्न दिस वन नो किड्स. Okay, you read that one answers. If the bridges are not there, we are using the boats. We are going by a boat, and in boat only some peoples will sit and cross the road. and it takes a time. ब्रिज नहीं है तो हम कहाँ कैसे जाएंगे? बोट से जाएंगे. बोट में सिर्फ some peoples will sit, कम लोग बैठते हैं तो वो लोग जाकर बोट रिटर्न आने तक देर हो जाता है. द टाइम विल स्पेंड देयर ओनली. अंडरस्टूड ना? दिस टाइम वी फेस द लॉट्स ऑफ डिफिकल्टीज व्हेन ब्रिजेस वॉज नॉट देयर. जब ब्रिज नहीं है तो डिफिकल्टीज फेस करना पड़ता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Have you seen any other kind of boats? Yes, motor boats, ship, etc. Can you think of other way by which we can travel on water? Answer: boat, ship, motor boat, steamer, big boats, etc. Now see carts. See about carts. Bullock cart, camel cart, horse carts are there. Have you ever sat in a cart, camel cart, horse carriage, tanga? Where did you sit? Climb on it yourself or did somebody help you? आपने कहीं तो देखा है कैमल कार्ट, हॉर्स कार्ट, बुलक कार्ट. Have you seen? Yes. I have sat on a horse carriage, tanga, in my grandparents' village. No, I couldn't climb it myself and my brother helped me to get on it. You have these question answers, kids, and you all written in your notebook. Read the question, read the answers and learn by the answers. Second question. How did you feel riding in the cart? Also share with experience in the class. I really enjoyed the ride in a tanga. I really enjoyed when I sat in horse cart, that is called the tanga. Next, bullock cart. Do you have bullock carts where you live? Yes, we have bullock carts in our village. Does it have a roof? No. Answer: no, it does not have a roof. Sometime we will fit the roofs on the cart. बुलक कार्ट के ऊपर रोप्स नहीं रहते, लेकिन समटाइम्स कभी कभार हम उसके ऊपर रूप्स बनाते हैं. What kind of wheels they do have? Usually bullock carts have wooden wheels. Make a drawing of cart in your notebook. आपके नोटबुक में बुलक कार्ट का ड्राइंग बनाइए. नेक्स्ट, बाइसिकल राइड. कैन यू राइड अ बाइसिकल? If yes, who taught you to ride? Yes, my father taught me. How many children come on bicycle to your school? No, none of children come to school. एक भी लड़का लड़की नहीं आते because my school is very far from our village and all children are very still small. अभी बच्चे छोटे हैं. Okay, now we'll see about जुगाड़. See here, question answers are there. Do you have such vehicle in your area? No, this type of vehicles is not there in my area. जुगाड़ जैसे vehicles हमारे गांव में नज़दीक भी, गांव के नज़दीक गांव में in our area not there. We are not having this type of vehicles. What do you call them in your area? First of all, जुगाड़ vehicles are not there, but it is called share auto or quadricycle. जुगाड़ जैसे ही ऑटोज है उसको हम शेयरिंग ऑटो बोलते हैं और क्वाड्रिसाइकिल, बिकॉज दैट वन ऑटो हैज़ 3 wheels, quadricycle. Would you like to ride in sometimes like this and why? Yes, I would love to, as would be so much fun. Next question. Jugaad means, can you tell why it is called a jugaad? Jugaad means something made useful from waste, or the vehicle has been made by using a waste material, so it is called the jugaad. Understood, na kids, how to do revision? You should read this one 3 times, 4 times. Learn it more and more times. आपको एक बार रीड कर छोड़ना नहीं है, आपको बार बार रीड करना है. रिविजन मीन्स यू शुड रीड दैट वन मोर एंड मोर टाइम्स. आई हैव टाइम लिमिट, मुझे टाइम लिमिट है इसलिए मैं एक बार रीड कर रही हूँ, लेकिन आपको इसे बाहर करना है. नेक्स्ट, चिल्ड्रन क्रॉस अक्रॉस द जंगल, मूविंग ऑन द स्नो, रॉकी पाथ्स. We see these question answers. So, see here. Have you ever been in a thick jungle or any such a place? Yes, I have been a thick jungle when I made a visit to a national park with my parents. Second question. Write your experience in your notebook. जब आप फॉरेस्ट को मीट किया, गए थे फॉरेस्ट देखने के लिए, तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था? हाउ यू फील देयर? यू राइट आंसर. द जंगल वॉज फ्लोडेड विथ अ स्मॉल एंड लार्ज ट्रीज एवरीवेयर. I spotted so many animals and birds living in the jungle. The sound it produced was very pleasant. Question number 3. Can you recognize some birds by their sound? Can you imitate the sound of some birds? Do it. Yes, I can recognize some birds like a crow, duck, sparrow, parrot, etc. And by their sounds, I can imitate the sound of a crow or a parrot. Next turn this one. See, moving on the snow. Question answers. Have you ever seen so much snow where in films or somewhere else? Yes, I have seen so much snow during my tour to Jammu and Kashmir. Otherwise, you may write, yes, I have seen so much snow in films, in serials. Otherwise, you write, yes, I have seen so much snow in pictures, big boards. Next, do you think that can place have you snow all the times and why? No, such a places do not have snow all the time. It's during the winter that these places are covered with the snow due to the low temperature. During the summer season, the snow melt as the temperature gets high. Next, Rocky Path's question answer. Do you face difficulties on the way to your school? No, I do not face any difficulties on the way to my school because our area is a good and we have a good roads. हमारे यहाँ पर लैंड इज गुड एंड वी हैव, हमारे यहाँ पर रोड्स अच्छे हैं, इसीलिए हम डिफ़िकल्टीज नहीं है. विच इज़ द बेस्ट मंथ इन विच यू लाइक टू गो टू स्कूल? कौन सा मंथ आपको अच्छा लगता है? किस मंथ में आप स्कूल जाना चाहते हो? डिसम्बर. Answer is December is the month when I like to go to school as the weather would be cold. Also, various celebrations like Christmas and New Year and the annual day functions are held in our school during this month. So, I like to go to school in the December month. So kids, next see, here are whole lessons question answers over. You read all these question answers by heart this one, because soon you have the exam. Understood no kids? Why I am revised this one lesson again once time? आपका PT1 एग्ज़ाम जल्दी है, इसीलिए आज से हम रिवीजन कर रहे हैं. तो आपको इन दीज क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को लर्न करना है, बाहेट करना है. अंडरस्टूड नो? थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.